Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to see a Power BI complete roadmap, and this will be useful for 2025 as well as in 2026 as well. And the most important part is that in this we have also included AI models also, right? Because we know that the world is trending towards AI, and there are many peoples and many softwares which are AI enabled. And in today's world, we should know AI because many people think that AI will replace us. No, guys, the person who is using AI will replace us. So if we are not updated with all these technologies, we will left behind. So this course is specially designed for with AI modules also, and all the traditional Power BI, whatever modules are required, those are also included there, right? So this is a complete roadmap. Entire syllabus will be provided to you. Each and everything will be there, and smallest to smallest detail will be there. And at the end, I will also provide you with the resources from where you can learn all this Power BI and how much time will be required for this, right? So this roadmap is designed for freshers or for people who are trying to switch their career from IT backgrounds who are working in different domains like automation testing or in backend support, and also for people who are transitioning from non-IT backgrounds as well, right? So this will be useful for all of them. And we all know that right now in today's world, Power BI is the widely used we can say business intelligence tool for data visualization and to analyze the data of different domains, right? So it is used in clinical domain, it is used in finance domain, in entertainment domain, in food domain, in supply management, in digital marketing domain, everywhere it is used, right? So, in this, we will also see that what will be the course duration that will be required for you. So, I have divided this based on two different people's, right? So, the one who are beginner and those are non-IT professionals, right? So they do not have any idea of IT, and these I will consider them as a full time, right? So there might be non-IT professionals who are working, so they will be fall into this category, right? That is professional people who are working in IT industry, but their skills are they or the domain which they are working is in automation testing, like I said, or manual testing, or they are working in any other domain in IT industry, right? So the people who are working or who are beginners and do not have job in their hand, so I will consider them as a full time, right? So they will require 45 days to complete this entire course, right? There are many courses available, many small workshops are available of 2 hours, 3 hours, where they will say within 1 day you will be job ready learning Power BI. See, guys, it will never happen, right? Because Power BI is a very, a tool like a drag and drop functionalities are there, and they will say that, yeah, you learn Power BI. No, guys. Power BI will take you more than 40-45 days to learn, right? And if you are following a correct and proper roadmap, learning everything conceptually directly without jumping on projects. So this is the roadmap for you. Don't fall for those guys that they will teach you Power BI in 1 day or in 1 week. It will never happen that you will learn Power BI in 1 day or 1 week, right? You will not be able to appear for interviews. If you are, they will reject you because you won't be able to answer those scenario based questions and those different data related questions, right? So this is the roadmap. If you are a beginner, and if you are spending 6 to 8 hours per day, right? So I'm considering if you are spending 6 to 8 hours per day, you will be able to complete it in 45 days, right? But if you are a working guy, if you are right, so this let's say if any lady is watching this who is having kids or who is a housewife and only can spare 2 to 3 hours per day, then they will at least take 2 months to complete this, right? So like 60 days, right? So this is completely designed for those also like working professional or housewives. They might take more time as compared to who is working for who is doing this particular course full time, right? So this is the complete course duration, right? And if you are following this, this is the days which will be required for you to complete this entire course, right? So first part which you have to learn in this Power BI tutorial or Power BI roadmap is Power BI desktop, right? So there are two different softwares that or Power BI related technologies that you will be learning. First is Power BI Desktop, which will be installed locally in your computer or in your system, and there you will be creating all data related visuals and everything, and then you will be publishing it on server, right? That is another service. Power BI service is different, Power BI Desktop is different, and both are required to be done, right? So in Power BI Desktop, there is the first module that you have to learn is introduction to Power BI, right? Which is a very initial level where they will introduce you to Power BI, why it is required, what are the uses of Power BI, what are its advantages over different tools that are available right now in the market, right? Then we will also look for report properties and different elements on UI, right? So when you open Power BI, what are the different options that are available on your Power BI desktop, right? So everything from basic to advanced, you will be learning everything in this Power BI tutorial, right? Then you should know data connections, right? So Power BI is a visualization tool, but you have to connect Power BI to different data, right? So it may be flat files, it may be different databases like MS SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, or Postgres. And you will be also asked to connect Power BI to different, cloud services like, or you will be asked to connect to different Azure services or AWS services, right? So that also you should know how to connect to data which is located on different, at different locations, right? Then you have to go and see what are the different data visualizations that you can create in Power BI. What are the different charts, different maps that you can create in Power BI, how you can format those, how you can color those, what are the different ways, or what are the based on different situations, right? What is the best chart that can be used in this particular, or we can say for this particular analysis or for that requirement. Everything will be taught in this. Then you have to learn what are the hierarchies, drill down, right? There is different methods like drill up and drill down, and there are hierarchies, nothing but going from top level to the bottom level, right? So this is required to be learned in Power BI. Then the most important part is data modeling. So I can say that this is the heart of Power BI, and I have added the modules to learn this as well, because if you don't know data modeling, you cannot learn Power BI, right? You cannot create the correct reports, right? And if your data model is incorrect, your entire report is incorrect. The numbers or visuals, whatever you are showing to your client, it is completely wrong, right? So most of the time is spent on data modeling and data cleaning in Power BI, right? So writing DAX expressions and all those things, that is secondary part. That is also required, but most focus is given on data modeling and data cleaning. And I would also request you to focus on those areas most, right? Because data modeling, people will teach you single table data modeling. No, you have to know what is mean by multi-table data modeling, where four to five tables, 6 to 7 tables are being used. How to derive or how to design star schema, how to design galaxy key schema, how to design a snowflake schema, where you will be using multiple fact tables, you will be using multiple transaction tables or dimension tables, right? So everything you have to learn in this. Then data cleaning is also important part, because uh, you will say that I am a Power BI developer. Why do I have to learn data cleaning part, right? It is a part of ETL, and why should I learn it, guys? So in today's industry or right now in current situation, there is a demand that you should know data cleaning also, right? Not only learning Power BI is enough to get a job, right? So you should learn data cleaning also, how to convert unstructured data into structured data. So I have mentioned your total syllabus over here, and videos related to that are also mentioned below. Then DAX, which is the most important part, that is data analysis expressions. And there are n number of formulas and number of DAX expressions are available in Power BI. But I have designed this syllabus that so that you just have to learn the most important ones only. and practice those repetitively for different kinds of scenarios and for different kinds of projects as well. So this is the DAX expression, which is basic ones. So this is basic one, and then you have to go for advanced one, right? So that is nothing but aggregate functions, filter functions, date and time functions, which is the most important, logical functions, text functions, right? Then I have mentioned few, I can say date related, where you have to find different calculations, year to date, quarter to date, month to date, right? Previous year to date, previous month to date, how to find top end, how to use rank X and all those, right? So these are important. Then the next most important, that is how to use Power BI using artificial intelligence, right? So there is a co-pilot available in Power BI, but you should know how to use it. So I have added some uh, important points that are required that you should learn in this particular Power BI roadmap by using AI, and a complete course is also available for that. I have added the link at the bottom. I will show you in the bit, right? So this particular points you should know, right, in Power BI, like how to use uh, artificial intelligence in Power BI. All right. Then last is nothing but Power BI projects, right? So after completing an entire course, you should know how to design Power BI projects. And now here I'm saying that 10 to 12 basic to advanced level projects you should do. So these are must, right? Anything more than this you are doing, it will be good, right? 15 to 20, which is the best, right? Because whatever you are learning in this, whatever I showed you, all these 10 to 11 modules over here, those are useful if you apply those in projects, right? Because whatever you learned, if you are applying that in projects, then you know that how application of Power BI works, right? If you are only learning concepts, it is of no use. You should know how to apply those in Power BI projects so that you will get some hands-on and you will be able to answer the interviewer questions also. And whenever you are working on real-time projects, when you are getting credits, it will be easy for you to work on those particular scenarios or business requirements which client will provide you, right? So how I have designed here is 3 to 4 guided projects. When I say guided projects, is nothing but 3 to 4 projects. Go through any projects. I have added the links below, which are from YouTube, right? It may be on YouTube, it may be on Udemy, or it may be anywhere. Go through those guided projects, learn how that particular fellow is teaching you. Many projects are available on my channel itself, so go through those. And once you are learning those 3 to 4 guided projects, I would recommend you to create 5 to 6 unguided projects, right? When I say guided projects, you have to search for data. I have also made available data also, are available on my websites. You can download those data and create a self project. When I say self project, is nothing but you learned everything, you made 2 3 to 4 guided projects. Now you should make your own projects, right? And when I say these projects should be self made, means everything start to end you should create it on your own. Until and unless you don't make unguided projects, you are not ready for any job in Power BI. So, very important, unguided project should be created from start to end by yourself without taking anyone help, right? So, if you are getting stuck anywhere, obviously you can use Google, you can use ChatGPT, but make sure you learn everything on your own. Don't take help of YouTube or any other professional who is working in this Power BI only. All right. So this is regarding project. Now, once you create all the projects, you should know how to publish these projects on Power BI service or into your portfolio, right? Portfolio creation is also important. You have to create a portfolio of all the projects, mention it in your resume, mention it in your Naukri profile or wherever you are searching for jobs, maybe on LinkedIn as well, right? So Power BI service is nothing but it is a cloud-based platform where all Power BI reports, dashboards, datasets are published so that 1,000 people, 2,000 people can see it at once, right? And these are the syllabus that are required for Power BI service. So I have added the course also below. So these are the learning resources which are available, which are completely free and available on YouTube. So let me tell you that all these study links, whichever or courses which I have mentioned over here, those are few are of mine, right? So when I say mine means those I have created, right? The courses I have created, the projects I have created, and few are of other creators, right? Who are making videos of YouTube and all other contents, right? So this this roadmap is actually designed so that you get the best quality education, not that you should learn or you should use all my videos only, right? So other people who are doing great work and who are best in those particular technologies, I have added those links also here. So you can go through this basic course. It is an 8-hour course. Then for Power BI theory concept. So whenever you read or learn everything, anything from this YouTube video, search for that on this Power BI help, right? So that you can read from there, take more and more knowledge, make notes as well, right? Either make handwritten notes or make digital notes, that is nothing but in Word, right? Then data modeling concept. So this is my video. Then data cleaning also. This is also my video I have added over here. Then DAX course is available. So this is also a video from other creator, but it is the best one, right? So I have gone through entire video. It is the best for you. Then this is the Power BI AI course. This is also 3 to 4 hours video is there, which you can go and learn all the AI related capabilities of Power BI. Right? Then Power BI service, as I told you. Then Power BI end-to-end project. So I have sorted and fixed, or I can say, uh, these are the few projects which I have handpicked, which are good for intermediate level. You can do any two projects from as an intermediate level, and any 2 to 3 projects as an advanced, right? That is a little bit advanced level. So these will be your guided projects. And unguided, I will either go through Kaggle website where you will search for data, or just go through my website where different data sets are available, right? And apart from this entire roadmap will be available on my website, right? So the Power BI 23 projects are also available. So what you can do is, here you can see there are different courses and resources available on my website, right? So let's say for Power BI projects, right? So these are the different projects available. Here you can see the different functionalities which are being used for that project, and what are the different projects, right? So the name of projects are also available. Each and every name is available. Each and every screenshot of that project is available. So you will get all the working files in these projects, right? You just have to buy this, as well as there is a Power BI roadmap. Everything is available, right? So Power BI materials is also available for this. So in this Power BI material, you will get all soft copy notes, DAX notes, data cleaning notes, data modeling notes, everything you will get in this. And you will also get few projects also, right? Not all projects, 3 to 4 projects you will get in this particular package as well. But apart from that, you will get all the interview ready, all information you will be available over here. Everything you will get from here, right? So everything is available on my website. If you want to explore other also, you will also have data analyst roadmap. Entire roadmap is also available, which is designed for 2025 and 2026. So you will get entire roadmap and all the data analysis tools which are important, all notes on these, all projects. You can see these projects are included, this number of projects are included. You will also get 10 practice data sorts and all interview questions, right? When I say all interview questions, it will be of all rounds, right? So from round one, round two, managerial round interview questions, client round interview questions. You can read everything, whatever is available for you. Read start to end everything, and then if you are satisfied, you can go ahead and purchase this particular course, right? So if I go back, all the links are mentioned over here. If you want to go to my website, download this roadmap, and everything is available over there. All the material is available over there. All handwritten notes, all soft copy notes, projects are available, right? If you want to learn more and more projects, 23 unique Orbe projects are available, right? And always keep this particular in mind that the expert in anything was once a beginner, right? So if you want to become an expert, you have to spend 55 days in Power BI, and I guarantee you that you will be an expert on 50th day or 51st day, right? So best of luck to all of you, and just go through the links available in the description box so that you can learn everything from start to it. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.